As you use account maps on sales calls and in deal reviews, you'll most likely want to add contacts to the canvas that don't yet appear in Salesforce. You can create a Salesforce contact directly from Lucidchart. At the top of the contacts list, you'll see an option labeled New Contact. Simply click and drag that label onto the canvas to create a new contact. As soon as that contact is added to the canvas in Lucidchart, it creates a new contact in Salesforce. You can edit the individual's name, title, department, and other contact details by clicking this icon. As you enter this information, it will all be immediately synced in Salesforce. When I go back to my Salesforce contact list and refresh the page, you'll see our newly added contact in Lucidchart appear here in Salesforce with all of the updated information. Additionally, if I add a new contact in Salesforce, it will immediately appear on the contact list in Lucidchart. I'll create a new contact right now in Salesforce, add some information, and then jump back into Lucidchart. Click on the refresh button at the top of the contact list or refresh the page. You'll see the newly created Salesforce contact appear in Lucidchart under the contacts list. Remember, whether you edit or update contact information in Lucidchart or Salesforce, they'll always remain in sync.